are nyo, expect it shall come to pass. Oh, that is breakthrough! Expect your promotion! Expect financial blessings. This is year of unprecedented breakthrough. Hindi ko po kayo, I'm not trying to make you excited. No! This is the word of the Lord to my heart. Tell them, expect the unexpected after this anniversary. Sometimes so that is our problem eh. We're not expecting anything from God. Pero sabi ng Panginoon, when you pray, Mark 11, 23, 24, when you pray, believe that you... Isn't it expectation? In Luke 6:38, the Lord said, give, and it shall be given to you. Pressed down, shaken, run it. Patanong ko po kayo, bakit nagbibigay siya ng picture na ganyan? For you to believe. For you to expect. In Malakay 3:10, sabi ng Lord, give your tithes, tingnan ko lang kung hindi ko buksan ang lahat ng durungawan ng kalangitan. Test me on this, if I will not throw open floodgates of heaven. My question, why God is giving us this picture? Because God wants you to believe and expect. We need to believe and expect. Even in your dreams, mga kapatid, sasabihin ko po ito sa ngayon, hindi yung gabi. Bibisitahin po kayo ng Diyos. God will visit you in your dreams.